Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Hisense model and its operating system because the store option depends on that. Once done, connect the TV to stable Wi-Fi and sign into the TV platform account. This unlocks store access and app syncing. Make sure software is updated to the latest firmware in settings since many stores hide on outdated systems. If your model supports developer or advanced options, enable app installation permissions now so you can continue to the next steps without interruption. You now locate the correct store: Vida Store on Vida models, Google Play on Android TV, or the Roku Channel Store on Roku-based sets. Use the TV remote to open that marketplace and search for the app you want. Type model-specific keywords if search is sparse. If the store is missing, prepare a USB sideload file or use casting from your phone. Follow on-screen prompts to accept permissions, sign in where required, and begin the download so the app installs automatically. Finish by opening the newly installed app from the Apps menu and sign into your account so content syncs and personalized settings apply. If the app won't launch, restart the TV, check available storage, and confirm firmware is current because those issues block installs. If the store itself is missing, use sideloading via USB or cast from a phone as alternatives. And if those fail, contact Hisense support with model and firmware info. One troubleshooting tip: clear app cache or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.